Get a feel for the 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Advanced tech and refined luxury come together in a bold expression of elegance in this GLE SUV. Driver assist features and muscular performance bring a new sense of confidence, while sleek, iconic style elements and highline passenger amenities engage the emotions for a ride that's truly captivating. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, wood grain interior trim, power passenger seat, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, keyless start, heated mirrors. Travel on a higher plane in this refined and responsive GLE SUV. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.